In this video, I'll show you how to convert crypto on Binance using Binance Convert. To begin, go to the Binance website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to open the Convert tool. On Binance, this is usually found under the Trade section as Convert or Convert and Block Trade. Open that page to start your crypto conversion. Binance describes Convert as a quick way to swap one crypto for another without using charts or the regular spot trading screen. Once you're on the Convert page, you'll see two main fields. The first field is for the crypto you want to convert from, and the second field is for the crypto you want to convert to. In the top field, choose the coin you currently have in your Binance account. In the bottom field, choose the coin you want to receive after the conversion. After selecting both coins, enter the amount you want to convert. Binance may let you type the amount manually or choose from your available balance. Depending on your account and the asset you're converting, Binance can pull funds from supported balances, such as your spot wallet, funding wallet, or other eligible account balances connected to Convert. Once the amount is entered, tap or click Preview. Binance will then generate a live quote showing the conversion rate and the estimated amount of crypto you'll receive. This quote is only valid for a short time, so you'll need to review it before it refreshes. Binance's current guide says quotes update automatically about every 8 seconds. Take a moment to review the details on the preview screen. Make sure the coin you're converting from is correct, the coin you're receiving is correct, and the amount looks right. If everything is correct and you're happy with the quote, click or tap Convert to complete the swap. Once the conversion goes through, Binance will process it and credit the converted crypto to your account. After that, you can go back to your wallet and check your updated balance to confirm the new asset has been added. Binance Convert is designed to be simpler than placing a regular trade on the spot market. Instead of choosing order types and using a full trading interface, you're just selecting the two assets, previewing the quote, and confirming the conversion. Binance also notes that Convert can support more than just instant swaps in some cases, including features like recurring or limit-style conversion options, depending on what's available in your region and account. And that's how to convert crypto on Binance.